Can you give an example of a POV TikTok video?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my TikTok channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an example of a point of view, POV, TikTok video. POV videos on TikTok are a popular trend where creators put themselves in the shoes of a character or scenario to create engaging and immersive content. Let's dive right in.
A day in the life of a superhero.
Imagine waking up one day and discovering you have superpowers. In this POV TikTok video, I'll take you on a journey through the eyes of a superhero. The video starts with an attention-grabbing hook, such as an intense soundtrack or a captivating scene, to instantly capture the viewer's interest. As the video begins, the camera angle is from the perspective of the superhero, giving the audience the feeling of being in their shoes. I might show myself looking in the mirror, putting on a costume, or activating my superpowers. The key element of a POV video is to make the audience feel like they are experiencing the scenario firsthand. So, I'll make sure to interact with the environment and other characters in a way that immerses the viewers in the story. For example, I could use special effects to show myself flying through the city, saving people, and battling villains. Throughout the video, I'll maintain the point of view perspective to create a consistent and engaging experience for the viewers. This might include using a first-person camera angle or creative editing techniques to mimic the superhero's vision.
A day in the life of a cat.
Now, let's explore a different type of POV TikTok video. This time, I'll take you on a journey through the eyes of a cat. This could be a lighthearted and humorous video that showcases the world from a feline's perspective. To create the illusion of being a cat, I might use a handheld camera to mimic the movement of a cat's head. I'll get down low to the ground and show the viewers what it's like to navigate the world at a lower height. I'll emphasize the cat's curiosity and playfulness, interacting with objects and exploring its surroundings. In this video, I might incorporate sound effects to enhance the experience. For instance, I could add purring sounds or overlay a voiceover that mimics the cat's thoughts and reactions to different situations. POV TikTok videos are a great way to engage with your audience and provide a unique perspective on various scenarios. Whether it's experiencing the life of a superhero, a cat, or any other character, these videos allow creators to immerse viewers in an interactive and entertaining narrative. Remember, the key to a successful POV TikTok video is to maintain the point of view perspective throughout the video and to use creative techniques to make the audience feel like they are a part of the story. So go ahead, grab your camera, and start exploring the endless possibilities of POV videos on TikTok. I hope you found this example helpful and inspiring for your own TikTok creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.